water plane and it goes very well in a window. Hi guys, welcome to my world. And now we're going to make a Cyrhino that goes so good. Okay, let's start. So first of all, like I showed you first, just need to do this to connect this. Be sure it goes very equal. Okay, and you see this, unfold it, and you see this line to you need to just attach it from this ending line. So like this. Like this. So you see this middle crease and the main crease in that the first step, and then you should see that starting line to the middle crease. This you can see the middle crease, this line to this. So just pick that line up and put it to the middle crease. You will see the line, or just attach it to that. And then we unfold that, and you will see this and this. So you see this, and you attach this to that, like this. Just the line we need. And then I showed you in my first episode this. You'll see this middle crease, and you're gonna just take the corner and take that to the middle crease, like this. Okay, the same thing to the other side. Okay, then you will see the tip. Okay, tip. So we need to just fold the tip a bit like this. Okay, like this. And we flip the paper over, meaning my paper was like this. Just flip it over, and then you see the middle crease also. And then you should take this corner to the middle crease, like this. Be a bit hard because it's going to be tight. I'm doing it double. So this, and the same thing to the other side. Same thing to the other side. Okay then, let's fold it in half. Like this. Then it's gonna be good. Time to make a ring. Boom, boom, boom. Gonna go plain. Ooh, like this. And then you see this up line, like this separation, this line to attach the ending line, like this. Same thing to the other side. Okay, then you open the wings. Then you just do this, flip it over. Then you'll see the wings, right? You just fold a bit of it like this. Okay, you just open it and just press it like this that it stands. Okay, then the same thing to the other side. Like this. And so this is what we made today. This is called a Cyrhino. Bye bye. We will see you in the next video. Bye.